Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to change Microsoft Office display language. First, go to Files, Options, and go to Language, left side. And you can see that there is install additional display language. Click on it and choose which language you want to install. For example, any language. You can choose any language you want. Choose the language and click install. Once you click the install button, it goes to browser and it goes to Microsoft Office Download Center. There is a language pack file. And there are two options, 32-bit and 64-bit. So it depends on your computer. If your operating system in 32-bit, click 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so click on it. Click download and it will download the language pack. So, and install it, double click on it. Now its installation has been started. So it takes some time. About 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's done. Close it. Open your Office, Excel or Word. Go to Options. Language. Here's the language we installed. So once you install it, it will appear here, and choose your language and click set as a preferred and click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.